Hey there, this is Neil Napier and welcome to this demo walkthrough of Guivio. Now in this walkthrough I'm going to show you how you can use Smart Funnels, Smart Memberships and Smart Mailer that you're getting access to today, or maybe you already have access to. So let's go ahead and start looking at Smart Funnels. Smart Funnels is a module where you can quickly build out landing pages and connect them together so they become a funnel. It's all drag and drop and it's very easy to navigate. Now before I walk you through each and every aspect of this particular platform, I want to show you a few of the pages that we have built with this so you get an idea as to what kind of pages you can be expected to create as part of your campaigns. Let's go ahead and show you this one as well, and I'll show you this one too. All right, so right over here you can see that we have one of the landing pages that we have designed. The timer can be anything you want it to be, and you can change the fonts, you can put redirect scripts and other things as well. And then this is the live page that we have for the webinar that we usually run. So this is a system that we sell as well. Another pages that we have built, which is kind of simpler, and we mirrored someone else who did really well with their page, is this one. So again, it's all built inside of Guivio. Then one more page is this one. So this is a webinar registration page. Of course, it can be customized to fit any kind of other pages that you're building as well. Now let me walk you through Smart Funnels and show you various aspects of this particular module. When you first land in, you can see all of the funnels that you have created. You can also see different kinds of funnel types in here. If you want to create a new one, all you have to do is click on new funnel and you get a few predetermined options. Just pick one of them. So say you wanted to build a webinar funnel, you click on that. We have some previously populated pages over here. Of course, you can edit them as you see fit or add some more. Then click on next, and then you have the option to pick a funnel template. Now each of these templates comes with 10 pages under them. The different kind of pages for webinar registration, webinar replay, sales page, opt-in page, so on and so forth. So just go through all of these and pick the one that you like the best and just run with it. So for example, if I wanted to go with fitness, I could first preview it as well. So when I preview it, I can quickly see what all the pages under this look like. And if I didn't like it, I could just go and pick another one. So this is how all the pages have been laid out. So once I'm happy with it, I'm just going to go ahead and select this template and click on next and just give it a funnel name. So fitness gym webinar. Next, and you will then see that the funnel is created and all the pages are automatically populated for you. Then all you need to do is go inside, change the content as you see fit, because all the designs are already in place. So let's quickly edit this one. Now you'll see this is what the webinar registration page looks like. Of course, as I mentioned, if I wanted to edit this, I totally could do that. If I wanted to change the bullet points, all I had to do was click on this edit text and I could start changing up the bullet points. So I could say fitness benefit number 1, so on and so forth. Then I could simply click on the plus sign and pick one of these options over here and drag and drop them. So say if I wanted to add some more text, I can drag and drop this here. If I wanted to add a button, I can drag and drop it here as well. It's very easy to operate, very easy to manage. You have some advanced features as well, such as if you wanted to give it a page title or description, also keywords for SEO, you could do that. If you wanted to put a background image or even a background video, that's possible as well. And if you wanted to say add some tracking scripts for Facebook or Google Ad Network, you can put those in as well. And then finally, you have some inbuilt conversion tools. So if you wanted to have some pop-ups, you could build those as well. So let me show you what that process looks like. Again, we've got this pop-up builder. I can drag and drop things here as I see fit. There we go. If I want to rearrange this, I could do that as well. Once I'm happy with it, I could save it and activate it. Then going back in here, you also have the info bar setup. So info bar allows you to put basically a bar either at the bottom or top, and you can again put content in this and customize it as you see fit. So if you wanted some urgency, you could put some urgency right in the info bar here as well. And if I configure this right, you will be able to see the date and time as well. Let's go ahead and do that quickly. There we go. Right, so again, I can make it look better. I can format it so there's some spacing, and I can also change things up. so that it doesn't look so big. There we go. Or let's go for the text version here. There we are. Change the colors is easy as well. So that's all it takes for you to customize your pages as you see fit. The buy buttons, you can publish them as you want, and based on the purchase, people can take in to the next page depending on how you have configured things. So this is how you set up your Smart Funnel pages. Once you're happy with it, publish it. Once it's published, you can view it and you can see what it would look like to someone who's first landing on it for the first time. So you can see this pop-up as well as these info bar right over here. But then we have a few additional features. We have some reporting and statistics available for you as well. This is always being improved upon though, so don't worry if you don't see the kind of reports that you want at the moment, especially once we go live with 2.0. This is going to be on another level altogether. So let's go ahead now and look at Smart Memberships. Smart Memberships provides a really easy way to bring together all the content you have and turn that into something you can either give away for free or sell. And you can protect this content. You can build a list, you can register people to a webinar, and many other things as well. Before I get into it, let me show you what our members area looks like right now. So this is it. We've got tons and tons of programs in here, by the way, which you also get access to if you're buying it during the launch time. So if I just go further up here, let's go into course businesses. So these are all our courses that we have created in the past. They're all compiled in one place, and people can also mark them done as they go along, but because I'm the admin, I don't have that feature available to me. But as people are going through it, they can also mark the courses, the lessons, as they finish them. Now if I click here, you will see that we have the ability to add video, text, images, buttons as well inside the content area for all these membership sites. Now if I head back very quickly, while I'm doing that, I also want to show you how easy it is to edit this and build out your content. I'll come back to showing the other features in just a few seconds. So right here you can see what the course area actually looks like. We've got the menu on the left as well as the breadcrumbs on top, and we've got a wider space here for all the content that you want to put in. Now we run a lot of different programs in the Smart Academy as well. You can check them out further below on the page if you're still on the sales page, but as you can tell, you can build out these membership sites as you want. We have customized the background to fit our needs. You can see that these are the buttons that lead to wherever we want them to lead to, and then we also have space in the footer to put in disclaimer and other text as we want. And editing all of this is quite straightforward. If I just go in and edit this one, you will see how easy it is to customize your membership site as you go along. So you've got the option here to drag and drop text, drag and drop image, video, just like we had inside of the Smart Funnels. You've got similar options here inside of Smart Membership as well. So you can customize your pages quite a lot. If you wanted to customize them further, just click on this link over here and you'll be able to change the colors, the backgrounds, and this and that. We have a few preset themes already inside the platform, but you will be able to customize them more so as you want. In future, we're looking to potentially add language translations as well. Again, keep an eye out for 2.0 when that comes out, because that's going to have a whole lot more features, including content locking. One of the cool things that I really like about Smart Membership here is some of the advanced features that it provides. For example, you're able to drip feed content. So if you didn't want any content to be available immediately, you could drip feed it. You could also take away access after a certain date, and that way you're able to expire content as you see fit. We have some advanced features such as the ability to automatically add people to an autoresponder list once they purchase or once they opt in, or the ability to put them in a webinar, or even give them another course that's part of your Smart Membership. You can have multiple price levels. You can integrate with JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Zaxa, Thrivecart, a lot of different platforms, so you're able to use them as well to provide access to the platform. So quite straightforward to use, easy to also add members, remove members, import them, export them as you see fit. This is quite easy to operate, and I would strongly recommend this is something you dig your teeth into if you're into creating products, because a lot of our students have generated a lot of revenue and made a big impact on the lives of their students by creating courses. Now, having said all that, let's jump into Smart Mailer and let me show you how that works. Smart Mailer makes it easy for you to import your customers, your lists, and then email them using an SMTP of your choice. So let me show you how to set all this up. When you first land in, you will have to set up your SMTP. I strongly recommend using SendGrid or SparkPost, and you can find tutorials inside our training area, which is available right over here. Right over there, Help Center. So when you do all of that, you will be able to then add a new list, import people into that list like we have done as well. Unfortunately, I can't go in and show you our member list, but you can do all of that. The cool thing here is that you can also do segmentation. So if you wanted to segment people based on when they've been opening your emails or clicking on your links, you can do all of that. You can also do automation. So for example, if you wanted to make sure that when someone signs up to one list, they get removed from the other list, that's possible. If you wanted to make sure that when someone clicks on a link inside an email, they get added to another list or removed from one list, you can do all of that as well. So we have some very powerful automations available within Klaviyo as well. Now, the thing that most people end up using are sequences and broadcasts. So sequences is where you create an autoresponder sequence and you can see which email people are opening and clicking. For example, if I look at this particular onboarding sequence that we have in place, we can see all the data as to how many emails have been sent, with how many opens we've gotten, how many clicks we've gotten, so on and so forth. And then we also have the option to send out a broadcast. Now, broadcast is something that we usually send, which is, say if you want to run a marketing campaign or update our customers about something, we simply click on new campaign and we are able to create a new broadcast campaign within minutes. We can add all the lists and we can delete them. Then we can also add a list of people we don't want to mail. We can also just pick segments we want to mail and exclude segments we don't want to mail, making it really easy for you to pinpoint who you want to email within Smart Mailer. Like I said, we have some advanced features here that are not available anywhere else. So I strongly recommend you check out Smart Mailer and Smart Memberships and Smart Funnels and get access to it as soon as you can, because it is really, really powerful, really smart platform. This is Neil Napier, and thank you so much for watching this video.